And this story is called Ben is Tall, Liz is Short. Yeah, it's called Ben is Tall, Liz is Short. And let's start with this. So there is a man, and his name is Ben. His name is Ben. Do you see him? His name is Ben. His name is Ben. His name is Ben. And Ben is tall. Ben is very tall. Yeah, do you know tall? Very tall. Ben is very tall. He is a tall man. Ben is a tall man. And this is Liz. Her name is Liz. Yeah, her name is Liz. And she is a woman. Yeah, and her name is Liz. And Liz is short. She is really short. Yeah, Liz is short. So Ben is tall and Liz is short. Ben is tall. Look how tall Ben is. Ben is really tall. And Liz is short. Liz is really short. So this is a story about Ben and Liz. A story about Ben and Liz. Ben is running. Do you see him? Ben is running. He's running. Ben is running. Ben is running. And Liz sees Ben. Liz sees Ben. Yeah, Liz sees Ben. She sees Ben. But Ben does not see Liz. Ben does not see Liz. He doesn't see Liz. Yeah, here is Ben. He sees right here, but he's not looking down. He does not see Liz. He does not see Liz. So Ben is running, and Ben runs into Liz. Oh my goodness. Ben runs into Liz, and Ben falls over. Ben falls over, and Liz falls over too. Yeah, so Ben runs into Liz. Ben runs into Liz, and Liz falls over. Ben falls over. They both fall over. And Ben says, sorry. And Liz says, it's okay. It's okay. That's the story. It's a very simple story. Very short, simple story. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you many questions about the story. And if you want to answer, you can. If you don't know the answer, you can just listen. It's pretty simple. I think you'll probably know a lot of it. So let's start the story. We're going to start the story again. There is a man, and his name is Ben. Is his name Bill? Is his name Bill? No. Yeah, no, his name is not Bill. Yeah, his name is not Bill. Is his name Ben? Is his name Ben? Yes, his name is Ben. Yep, his name is Ben. Ben is tall. Ben is tall. Here's the question. Is Ben short? Is Ben short? No, he's not short. Ben is not short. Nope. Mm-mm. Is Ben tall? Is Ben tall? Yes. Yes, he is. Ben is tall. Ben is very tall. He's very tall. Maybe a basketball player tall. He's very tall. Okay, there is a woman. Her name is Liz. Here's a question. Is her name Anne? Is her name Anne? No. Her name is not Anne. Nope. It's not Anne. Yeah, it isn't Anne. Nope. Her name isn't Anne. Is her name Jill? Is her name Jill? No. No, her name is not Jill. No, her name is not Jill. Is her name Liz? Is her name Liz? Yes. Yes. Her name is Liz. Her name is Liz. Yep, it is. Her name is Liz. Liz is short. Liz is short. Yeah. Here's my question. Is Liz tall? Is Liz tall? No. Liz is not tall. Yeah. She's short. Yeah. So here's the question. Is Liz short? Is Liz short? Yes. Yes, she is. Liz is short. Yep, she's short. Ben is running. Okay, Ben is running. Ben is running. So here's my question. I have a question. Here's the question. Is Ben walking? Is he walking? No, he's not walking. He's not walking. Ben is not walking. No. Is Ben running? Yes. Yes. Ben is running. Ben is running. Liz sees Ben. Liz sees Ben. I'm using this word sees. Yeah. Liz sees Ben. Does Liz see Ben? It's a question. Yes. Yes. Liz sees Ben. Yes, she does. She sees Ben. Here's the next question. Does Ben see Liz? Does Ben see Liz? No. Yeah, no. Ben does not see Liz. He does not see Liz. Yeah, Ben does not see Liz. Now here's my next question. This one's a little hard, but do you remember the story? In the story, Ben runs into Liz. Ben runs into Liz, right? He runs into Liz. So here's my question. Does Ben run past Liz? Does Ben run past Liz? Let's go back and watch this one again. Does Ben run past Liz? No, he doesn't. He doesn't run past is past. No, he doesn't. He doesn't run past Liz. So here's the next one. Does Ben run into Liz? Does Ben run into Liz? Yes, he does. He does. Ben runs into Liz. He runs into Liz. And then, yeah, he does. He runs into Liz. And they both fall over. Yeah, they both fall over. And then Ben says, sorry, sorry. And Liz says, it's okay. It's okay. All right. So you speak English. Do you hear yourself? You're answering questions in English. It's incredible. Very good. Congratulations. It's day one, primero día. It's the first day. You already speak English. You speak English already. Fantastic. Okay. Are you tall? Are you tall? Are you tall?